Well, absolutely. A whole host of measures being taken by the Chinese government and Chinese central bank, because of which globally commodities have been rising, and back home in India, Indian metal stocks have also been shining bright. They've gone ahead and cut one-year policy rate, and this is the first infusion, capital infusion, that Chinese central bank has done into banks since 2008. So that's the kind of policy boost that they are trying to do into the Chinese economy, because of which global commodity prices have also been on a surge. Let's also talk about some of the measures that they've taken. They've gone ahead and lowered 7-day reverse repo rate to about 1.5% from 1.7% earlier. Stock Stabilization Fund will infuse about 113 billion yuan into the economy. 0.5% lower RRR is what they've undertaken in order to infuse about $142 billion. And they've also reduced minimum down payment ratio by about from 25% to 15% for second purchase of homes. The Public Bank of China has also covered state loans for unsold homes. So it was at 60% earlier, and they will now be financing 100% of those purchases. So a slew of measures being taken by the Chinese economy. Remember, growth slowdown. China earlier was growing in double digits, which has slowed down to about 5 to 6% in the last 4 to 5 years or so post-COVID. Real estate market has been under pressure. Several real estate players have also declared bankruptcy, which is impacting real estate market and commodity demand globally. Several demographic challenges, rising debt level are some of the reasons why Chinese market, especially the real estate market, which contributes about 60% of China's GDP, has been under pressure for quite some time now. Now let's also understand the impact of the stimulus measures that the Chinese government has taken. So as you mentioned, Chinese index has seen a significant recovery over the last few days or so. Today it is up 4.5%. Chinese index is up nearly 15% this week alone, and has recovered nearly 16% from the lows that we saw on the 18th of September. So solid recovery in the Chinese market, and the repercussions of which were felt back home in India on metal stocks. So Nifty Metal Index, the biggest sectoral gainer today and for the week, it is up nearly 7% this week. And we have the likes of Nalco, which is up 13.5%, Vedanta, Tata Steel up nearly 12 to 13%, SAIL, NMDC, Hindalco, Jindal Stainless, all of these stocks have gained anywhere between 8.5 to 13% from the lows of the 19th of September. So solid recovery that we have seen in Indian metal stocks on account of a slew of measures that are being taken by the Chinese central bank.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits, and then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.